And what are the things that make you happy?
Oh my gosh, things that make me happy? Okay. Ooh, it's like personality test. Gotcha. I'm ready.
No. Just have a smooth conversation with you.
Oh no, I'm just joking. I feel like. Hello?
Oh, hi.
Hey, long time no see. What kind of?
Yeah, actually, today is a bad networking.
Oh, okay. Bad network today. Hmm. So can you still hear me and see me?
Yeah, obviously. Why not? You are really
Never know.
great tutor, and I am waiting for that day. That's why I make a reservation with you very soon.
Oh, that means a lot. Thanks. Thanks. I
And
also
what?
saw the clip to your YouTube channel. Man, I feel like some of your videos got a lot of views.
Oh
I
yeah,
was like,
did you watch it?
oh no, I couldn't watch myself. Oh no. I'd be like so frazzled or just so like, oh my gosh, that's me. Like
Great.
on screen. Yeah, I know. It's like I haven't watched a YouTube video, but I'd be a bit nervous.
Oh, don't worry, don't at all.
Hmm.
And what do you do today? Is today a hectic schedule on Cambly for you?
Mm-mm. Usually I teach some time in the morning and in the evenings, but today's a pretty relaxed day. For some reason, Wednesday is a very busy day for me. Just a random day, but
Oh,
busy day.
okay,
And the
okay.
weekends, of course, but yeah.
Yeah, you are so relaxing, man.
Just hanging out. And I had a conversation with the student I've been had classes with for a long time. So we usually just like I played him a song today, so he was so excited. And we talked
Oh,
about music
ukulele.
and things. Yeah,
It's
yeah,
so. Can you play that?
hmm yeah. I
Yeah.
played him a song.
Oh, great.
hmm Of course.
And so, what is your hobby?
Meet my friend. He or she does not have a name, or they do not have a name, but
Awesome, awesome.
I do that, and then I juggle. I can get you. You know what juggling is, but I always like to show students just
Yes,
in case.
I know it. I saw it in circus.
And crazy. True. Yep.
Okay.
I know
Oh,
they're
wow.
professional, huh? They're
Yeah, exactly.
got
It
the
looks
logo on it
professional.
too. Oh yeah.
Oh,
They're not mine. They're someone else's.
oh, great. Excellent. Oh, so you have a lot of thing and a lot of new hobbies.
Mhm. Definitely. Um, just kind of hobbies that are fun. I also like, I guess, regular sports. Not like regular sports, but like I guess traditional sports maybe, or like
Okay.
basketball and football and all that other stuff. It's fun for me too.
Oh, great. And yeah, who do you live with?
I have 4 roommates. I live with people who are part of the Army in the US, so it's been a really
Oh,
cool experience. I'm not part of the Army, but I think it's definitely really cool to learn. But I have roommates over there, back there, and we all hang
and
out down there, downstairs.
okay, excellent. And yeah, what is the situation up there of Corona?
Yeah, so right now, a lot of people are quarantining. Well, kind of. I think a lot of people are just taking it easy, like making sure they wear their mask. You have to wear
Okay.
your masks everywhere, and there's a lot of free testing, which is cool. Um, so every now
Oh,
and
that is
again,
great.
yeah, every now and again I get a test. I got a test yesterday, so there's a lot of cool free places that you can get them done, which was great for me.
Oh,
Said, all right, have it for
great.
free.
And I want to tell you that your hairstyle is really cool.
Thanks. I always tell students, they're like, what happens? Like, how do you do it? I say, I promise.
Oh, great.
It just, I don't know. It just doesn't go down. So I put water in it and then do that, and that's how it
Oh,
goes.
I see. So it is like birth.
Like a what?
It is built from birth, from your birth.
Mm-hmm.
It is
Yeah.
inbuilt in yourself.
Yeah, embedded. Ah, okay. No, I got you. I listened to that wrong. Embedded. Nice. Yeah. If I grow my hair out long, it looks a little different. But I'd say this is kind of what I've trained my hair to do, so it just does it.
Yes. And yeah, do you like cooking?
Uh, should I say yes to this? Okay, let me think. Should I be honest or I'm joking. Um, I would say I do like it, but I don't do it all the time, if ever.
Okay, okay.
But I still
I
eat
got it.
healthy.
Yes.
Mhm.
And what are the things that make you happy?
Oh my gosh, things that make me happy. Okay. Um. Ooh. It's like personality test. Gotcha. I'm ready.
No, no, no. Just have a smooth conversation with you.
Oh no, I'm just joking. I feel like something that would make me happy. I think a nice walk with a friend would make me really happy. I think
Yes.
singing some
Oh,
pop songs in the car at the top of my lungs would also make me very
oh,
happy.
wow.
Don't drive next to me or with me, just your choice. And this might make me happy. I think just like when I talk to a lot of the students here, I feel really happy because a lot of them I've gotten to know and they just we just laugh and like talk together. So it's been less
Yes,
formal and less
exactly,
formal.
exactly.
Yeah, so. And I now
And
return the question on you. Can I hear a little bit about what makes you happy?
yeah, actually, I love painting, so that's why I painting makes me
Mm,
happier, and also listening to happy music, and also chatting with new people, and I love to meet new people. So that's why that makes me happy.
mm-hmm.
And I want to say that Cambly is a awesome platform to meet a lot of new people from different countries and to know some languages and cultures from different countries. So this is, yeah, I want to say that it is a handful globe.
Okay, gotcha. Definitely.
Yes. And yeah, what are the things that make you angry or irritated?
Ooh, okay. Things that make me angry. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna throw out my pet peeves. How about that? This.
It is quite difficult. Actually, no one asked you on Camly,
No, they
right?
sometimes do. I joke about some things. Jokingly when right now I live with guys. So when I go to the bathroom, like of course I don't like stand up to go to the bathroom. I sit down. So sometimes the seat is up. And I'm like, well, I'm not gonna do anything with that. It's impossible, right? So I'm like, that doesn't really make me angry, but I'm just joking at something that might. I'm just like, okay, we're different. That's completely fine. Um
You are really jovial person. I want to say that joyous person.
yeah, that
You
definitely.
want to be always positive and you want to be always happier and makes another happy.
Hmm.
So it is really awesome.
Yeah. I make sure that that sometimes, well, at least I do read a lot. So they sometimes say that positive people oftentimes have the most negative self talk. So they want to project to the world that they are positive when inwardly they don't feel that way. So with a lot of positive people, you think, hey, that girl's pretty positive. But like, you have no idea inwardly how that person talks to themselves. So for me, I
Yes.
try to make sure that self talk is a little bit better because that's like That's really important to me because I could present myself
Yes.
like any way. Like, oh my God, Caroline, that's my girl. She's great. She plays me music. She does this. But then maybe I'm not talking to myself the same way. I'm not thinking as much positive thoughts. So try to balance it. But
Yes.
thanks. It means the world.
Exactly.
It means a lot.
Yes. Exactly. And yeah, do you know that in 2020 the positive is really bad word?
Sorry, won't say it again.
Can you guess it?
Positive's a bad word? Yeah, I could see that where that might. But I think
Yeah.
my roommate said it yesterday. We were playing a game together, which I lost, but it's okay. It's okay. One day I'll win at this game. He said I think he's kind of joking, but he's like, coronavirus is bringing us together because we're all in quarantine right
Yes.
now. Like bringing families together. So that was something pretty positive. I'm like, that's true. That's true. It brings people together in some ways. It's one positive thing, right?
Yes. 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 COVID positive is a negative.
It works out. But cool.
And how long have you been teaching on Cambly?
Ooh, great question. Math, maybe 8 months, 8 or 9, maybe 9 months now.
Oh.
Mm.
Oh, I see. And I have been using Cambly over 5 months.
Oh, I thought you had been on longer. I
Yeah,
could cheat
exactly.
and check, the student profile. Let's see. Oh wait, we definitely started around the same time. I started last April too. April, May kind of area. Wait, April, March.
Oh.
Mhm.
And have you visited India before?
Mhm. That was Sri Lanka and India was my first trip teaching abroad. Like a mix of the
Oh,
two. Yep.
wow. So great, great. Excellent. Uh, yeah, I want to say that how do you travel there? By your money or any company hires you to teach on that particular country, so they provide all the accommodation. So
Mm. I've done a
what do you do?
Yeah, right. I've done a mix of both. So in some cases, I've like more recent opportunities. I have been paid, to go there and to teach and to do all this stuff. My first trip, I paid for. So I like made sure I paid
Oh,
for my food and accommodation, but I just volunteered. I was going through like,
okay.
what am I gonna do with my life? So let me go travel, and then I decided. Uh, my mom had
Okay, I see, I
basically
see.
my mom had a dream about me going to India and like Sri Lanka. She said, I had a dream about you going there. You should go there. And I said, all right. So that's how it went. I was struggling with what decision to make. And she's like, just go there and teach. Here's this like program I found. Like you just need to pay for it. I said,
Yes.
all right, I'll pay for it. It's fine. And that was sold my car and that was what happened.
And how long did you teach on in Sri Lanka?
For both places, I stayed there about 2 months. 2 months Sri Lanka, 2 months in India.
Oh, okay, I see, I see. And do you live in your house or rent house?
I rent, so my landlords stay on that side of me. So they're the owners, but then we all pay
Oh,
rent
oh,
to help to live in the house.
oh. And what is the cost, generally normal cost for renting?
Well, this state in particular is pretty expensive. So apartments or like a room can be anywhere from $700 to about $900 each month. But that's with everything included. So
Oh,
I mean, you know, just the location.
fooding, lodging? Oh, okay.
It doesn't include fooding, but they're nice and they give us food and they cook for us. So they do a lot to help with the cost, like to make it a good
Oh,
opportunity.
and electric bill? An electric bill?
I'm not sure what they pay because again, our rent is like everything included, so we don't worry about that. Um, Maybe 100 or less, but it's for the whole house. So
Oh,
yeah,
okay, okay. Is it included or not?
yeah,
Not.
yeah. So oh wait, no, they pay it separate. In some places they pay it together, but then I
Okay,
think in
okay.
Washington where we live, I think it's you pay like each
Gotcha.
separate pill.
Gotcha.
Yeah, you got to find them and pay them. You know.
Yes. Yes. Okay. And it was really lovely to meet you again. And I definitely make another reservation with you. And my time is running out. So it was really awesome.
Next time I'll sing for you. Okay, make a deal.
Yeah. Yeah.
See what you think. Oh my gosh.
Bye.
Thanks so much
Take
for your
care.
time. Bye bye.
And stay sound always.
Oh, you too.
Bye.
Bye.